So it's done. Out of the blue, your sparkling braids, those locks you once prided upon, have lost their appeal, dulled out, drying quicker than a lake in a desert and parting quicker than a recently separated from a couple. The inquiry is presently raised to you: do I surrender? Let time negatively affect what was before a basic aspect of your character? On the off chance that you addressed no on both of those inquiries, perused on. However long mankind has esteemed excellence, hair care has assumed a crucial function in it. Society has very much instilled in our brains that once an individual's hair begins dispersing, they're over the hill, a relic of the past, fit to be disposed of, supplanted. Reality couldn't be harsher than this, and although men may experience the ill effects of this quandary on an equivalent balance to ladies, one can't reject that the social impact felt to the last is far more regrettable than the previous, 10 times in certain circumstances. The following are a few different ways I've gathered for you to retaliate and arm yourself against this foe. The trim. I realize this is the exact opposite thing you need to hear at present. This may be the very thing you're attempting to keep away from my understanding this, yet listen to me, the hardest of choices may be the ones that produce the best outcomes if any whatsoever, so give those split finishes a trim. You don't need to go for a full overly cut, only the closures, and on the off chance that you do choose to go full commando, well, you should evaluate these different cures before doing anything radical. Avoid the hot fix. The blow dryer and hair curlers frequently elude as a lady's double blades. However, they're a two-fold-edged sword, for each time your preferred blow dryer and hair curling accessory have attempted to beat the clock to prepare you for that remarkable gathering with your companions. For consistently they've shaved off your planning time, they've done as such at a strong expense, and for a few, it may be a lot to bet presently, so think about resigning these weapons of mass arrangements, or decrease them to an extensive sum. Say no to shading, for the present. Hereditary qualities are out of line, we've all been there. We as a whole needed that ideal-looking hair, and by one way or another it's simply impractical without our preferred hued color. We didn't pick our hair shading to be like this, it's exactly how it is. So when somebody will in general prompt you against your flawlessness objectives, you will, in general, overlook them, particularly if it's only an innocuous jug away. However, these demons have done an equivalent measure of damage to your locks as they've helped them, if not more. So hold off for the time being. Spare no cost. In case you're willing to go that additional mile and draw out the serious weapons, some hair fix items are no shy of wonders. However, where to begin? These organizations are keener on making benefits, at that point helping the client, and there's so a large number of them, that picking the correct one is no shy of a bad dream. Not to stress, I have your back. Have a go at the beginning with macadamia. It accompanies an individual proposal. Make sure to remain careful. It may seem like the apocalypse at present. In any case, I guarantee it quite often shows signs of improvement.